The 1960 Renault Dauphine is a beloved classic known for its elegant design and reliable performance. ENEOS has breathed new life into this iconic vehicle, showcasing their commitment to performance, innovation, and automotive heritage. While the Renault wears its patina with pride, Justin's Group 5 Racing inspired carbon fiber widebody, which extended the car 22 wider than stock, might distract you from its mid-engined layout. Sitting transversely behind the rear firewall is a 2.8-liter Volkswagen VR6 24V engine. A United Motorsports tune, custom intake and exhaust, the VR6 develops 230 horsepower. The power is transmitted by a VW02M 6-speed transmission with Pelican limited slip differential. The driver sits on the right side of the cockpit inside the custom chassis and is protected by a bumper-to-bumper roll cage. The chassis allowed Justin to build a custom pushrod bell crank suspension system, incorporating NASCAR takeoff Schroeder sway bars. The custom fenders accommodate 17-inch Felgen factory wheels with extra-wide Toyo R888R rubber and a Willwood big brake kit. Tire and wheels: rear custom Felgen factory wheels, 275/45R17 front, 315/45R17 rear Toyo Proxys R888R tires. Exterior: handmade carbon fiber widebody, aviation-inspired aluminum splitter, flat aluminum underside, 60s-inspired livery over original patina. Interior: RHD conversion, custom dash, status racing seats, custom shifter and hydraulic handbrake.